Alright, so I'm on this project right now. So the plan is to get this tractor and level out the ground, the road basically. Tomorrow it gets minus like 10 and today it's like still not below freezing. So I'm gonna take the bucket and level out the road. So tomorrow when it freezes, it's like a pavement. Alright, so today I'll level out the ground and tomorrow I'll show how well it freezes and how well of a road it becomes. So the road is like that right now. Alright, so that works really well. It doesn't look pretty, but it's gonna be way better tomorrow. Getting really stuck. These are my wheels. Oh my god, I don't know what to do about this. That's a little better. Now just go back through there. Okay, so I'm making this nice trail right now. I'm going in these ruts and they are disappearing, kinda. Just lower the bucket more if it doesn't. It's gonna be better than nothing. Yeah, that looks good. Although I'm not sure how I'm gonna clean my wheels. I'm probably just gonna have to drive fast till the mud falls off. Alright, so this is kind of done. This is like a really short road, and also have to cut all of these trees down because they're scratching the paint on all of my equipment. Okay, so I'm pushing like a ton of water. And this part, it's definitely the best. It looks, no, I kind of want to say like a pavement. It's really satisfying. These trees are annoying. They scratch all of my paint. My equipment gets scratched. Alright, so I left a patch there. You know, the mud washed off. The wheels are clean now. You know, this puddle, if it freezes, it's just like a road. Yeah, it's better a little bit. Like this. I took this off, but this looks good. I mean, better. Alright, so I'm back today. This is where I was making it level, and it's frozen now, as I said yesterday. I can walk on these. This is not frozen, kinda, but these are like pavement. It's nicer. It's not nice, but it's nicer. So next year I will be back here cutting these trees down because they're leaning towards the road and it's scratching the cars and tractors when we're driving by. So this is the road. This is the hill I was getting stuck at. This is actually pretty drivable right now. And these are the ruts of the tractor. This, you wouldn't want to drive there with a car. I think it may be better than yesterday, but still, Those are pretty deep.
This is vehicle.
This is a vehicle. Is from,
For rubber track.
what is it used for?
This is a bandwagon 206. That's a personal carrier for in use in Swedish armed forces.
Alright, so let's go work on something else and fix some other roads.